Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and I'm going to be doing a tune-up on this Jeep. So the first thing you're going to want to do is do the air filter. The air filter is the easiest part. For doing the air filter, it's kind of easy with the Jeeps. This is a TJ99. It's just a Wrangler series, and so you're going to see 5 clips. There's one right here, one right here, one right there, and one that is going to be right here. This can be a little bit troublesome to flick, and on the back of the box right here you'll find another one which you flick back. From there, grab right here, lift, and move this out of the way. Just be careful you don't move it, think too much. Over there, all I usually do is flex it out of the way like that, and then you can get your filter out. Now this one I haven't checked in a while, but I can still show you how to check it. So, as you can see, this one's actually kind of dirty. It's got some stuff in here. I'll clean that up. How you can tell is you hold it up to the light and see how you can still see a lot of light through it? It's not too bad. If you hold it up and you see absolutely no light, your filter is completely plugged, and that could be, well, even though you're driving a Jeep, I'll say you're probably killing your gas mileage. So it's always good to do that. Check your filter. You can always, replace this with a K&N or something. It's up to you. Some people are with K&N, some people are against it. This is just a Fram. Couldn't tell you the model number offhand, but that is how you get at the air filter. And so the next thing I'm going to be doing is we're going to be doing the spark plugs and the wires. And we're going to also do the rotor cap and the rotor. So stay tuned for that.